Hello guys, today we are going to unpack and play with my Valentine's Day slime that I got. It doesn't quite look like a slime, but it is actually a slime. Let's get started, but before that, say hello to Caitlyn. Hello. She is my assistant. Say hello, Caitlyn. Okay. Say hello to Caitlyn. She's my assistant on helping me unpack and stuff. She doesn't really stand quite good, so I thought I'd put a tissue box right there so that she can sit. Yeah, anyways, we are going to get started with our slime. Feel that for me. How is it? Mushy? Yeah, but it's very satisfying because there's no slime on the eyes. Now it's clear heart. Yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna poke it with my index finger. Just gonna take that whole thing out, and then the box looks like that. It is made in China from Target. If you guys want to get this slime, it's from Target. Caitlyn, are you falling asleep? I guess. I didn't sleep today. I guess. Yeah, anyways, so this is the slime. It's very stretchy. So from your screen, it's red, but for me, it's neon pink. But for you guys, maybe it's like neon orange or red. Like if you look at it in real life, it's neon pink. But when it like gets together, it's just neon red. For you, it's like bright red or something, but for me, it's just dark red. It looks like that, and then the satisfying part. Yeah, I'm not a very good slime player. Yeah, anyways, I am going to try to make a bubble, but I know I'm gonna fail. How about we make a bubble? Not stretchy. Yeah, anyways, how about we make a bubble around the heart? Okay, let's smooth it out. Oh, and today is my dad's birthday. So, yeah, I made like a cake for him. Edible one. I surrounded the heart. It looks kind of off. Just move that there and then hold it like that. Yeah, I made a heart, and then I'm just gonna poke it if it's already broken. Yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna take slime. It smells like yeah, anyways, sorry for that. That was a bit awkward. Let me do that again. Yeah, anyways, it smells like glue. Maybe it's made out of glue. I mean, of course it's slime. Yeah, but maybe not all slimes are made out of glue, because you can make a slime with hand soap and dish soaps and stuffy muffies. Just gonna put it in nicely, like a little heart. Then just face. Yeah, Caitlyn. Oh, yeah, her foot. Just kicked at you. Sorry, she didn't mean to do that. Yeah. I made a cake. I am gonna show it to you guys. Oh, and guess what my favorite animal is? Hey, don't give it away. Yeah, anyways. Oops. Yeah, give me a moment. It's fine, Caitlyn. It is totally edible. Just kidding. I mean, yeah, it's obvious. So, yeah. It's like kind of like upside down, kind of. Not upside down, but sideways, kind of. So, you guys can't read this because it's Korean. Except for the from and tos and then the names in Korean. This. So, if you guys are thinking, so I put foam and then cut it into like a triangle. And this part is like, I don't know, this, like fake grass or something, I don't know. And then the foam, fake grass thing, foam, and then, yeah. And then this white stuff is not whipped cream. Don't get tricked, don't eat it. It is a stuff where it's like glue. It smells, I don't know what it is, but then it smells like a crafting thing. It's very like clay, but it's not clay actually. It's like clay, but not clay. It's like very weird. And this is a real candle, so you can actually put, and then trick my dad and Stuffy Muffy. Ooh, and it also has my favorite color, purple. Yeah, I kind of want to eat it. It looks kind of good. Yeah, and happy Valentine's Day. I am going to give away Valentine's Day stuff. Yeah, and I made it. Don't lie, I made it. No, remember we promised that I made it? Okay, sorry guys for that moment. Caitlyn. Hey. Yeah, anyways, that was Caitlyn. That is Caitlyn, and that was Caitlyn. Her hair. So if you wonder what I got, where I got her from, it's like a Nana doll. Yeah, you'll see. But anyways, yeah, she's my doll. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. And always like and subscribe. And before I say bye, I'll tell you how to make this cake in another video. Yeah, really bye. What? Like and subscribe.